Hi, I'm Simon, an online sales assistant to the team at Pacmatix. In this video, I am going to introduce you to the GSP 50S wrapper. The 50S offers a user-friendly experience, high level of reliability, and is fitted with high-quality safety devices which complies with Australian safety standards. The 50S is our best-selling model due to its attractive price-to-value ratio and high flexibility. It is an entry-level wrapper for standalone, hand-feeding applications or basic semi-automatic lines. It can be used in a wide variety of applications and is one of the most versatile machines on the market. Due to its flexibility, it is ideal for bakeries with a large number of formats. The machine is also well suited for fresh produce in trays. When fitted with double sealing jaws, it can be utilized for products like cookies, health bars, and protein balls. It is a large format machine and can handle wider products than its smaller brother, the 4-5S. As a standard, it is fitted with 320mm wide sealing jaws. The machine is equipped with the following standard features for the Australian market. Easy loading film reel holder for fast reel changes. This is a big advantage over machines that require cones to lock the reel in place. Printed film registration kit. An adjustable forming box for easy changeover between products. The sealing wheels are fitted with high-quality coil heating elements and high-temperature bearings, providing years of reliability. The 50S is fitted with no product, no bag functionality. The machine is available with various jaw configurations, depending on the application and product dimensions. The machine can be provided with a single bolt-on jaw for lower products, U-shaped sealing jaws to wrap high products, or two-up sealing jaws to wrap short products at higher speeds. We keep most of these jaw assemblies in stock in Melbourne. This enables us to easily change the configuration of stock machines to suit the need of our customers. The SMC pneumatic components are neatly mounted in an enclosure. One of the most popular features are the removable cleaning trays, which makes cleaning the machine a breeze. Now that you're familiar with the impressive functionality of the GSP 50S, we invite you to consider how this remarkable machine can benefit your business. Should you be interested in the 50S, please do not hesitate to contact us. We will gladly assist you and can arrange a free no-obligation demonstration at our showroom in Melbourne. Hope you have a great day.